she was thinking, I know what I wanna see. Bust that pussy open, then I tell her bring it back. Bust that pussy open, then I tell her bring it back.
Good day. Today I would like to introduce the Toyota Race, one of the most affordable and stylish compact SUV in the Philippines. It is designed for people who want comfort, safety, and fuel efficiency at an affordable price. The Toyota Race is packed with features that make every trip enjoyable. It helps you save fuel, keeps your family safe, and gives you enough space for your groceries, luggage, or work equipment. Right now, you can own a Toyota Race with exciting promotional offers including a low down payment, flexible monthly installment, free insurance, and free registration. This makes owning your dream car easier than ever. If you're looking for a reliable vehicle that offers value for money, the Toyota Race is an excellent choice. It combines performance, comfort, safety, and style in one package.
Gotta catch another fight. The apple bottom make 'em wanna bite. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. Hold up, if you don't know, now you know. If you broke,
Put your hands up, feel the beat. DJ Junel, Sagano Remix.
Thank you for listening. Don't miss this opportunity to own a stylish, fuel-efficient, and reliable SUV. And visit your nearest dealership and schedule your test drive today. The Toyota Race is ready to be part of your next adventure. Thank you.